what's up? So check this out. We got a problem. We have a problem with the Jeep again. This damn thing. Anyway, so check this out. I went out to go start it and it was slow crank, really slow crank. Wouldn't even turn it over. Turned the key off for a sec. Tried it again, had enough that it started, right? So I thought, well, maybe the battery was low. I'll go drive it, check it out. Go to the gas station, 15 minutes away. Plenty of time to charge, right? Nah, got to the gas station, did the same thing. So I went, helped my buddy the other day, and on the way home, wasn't shifting properly. That's a whole other issue. But it's done that before, and I turned it off, turned it back on, and everything's fine. I don't know the problem. We're gonna get to that one soon. But for now, the problem with this is I turned it off and then it wouldn't start again. I just bought the starter, but now I'm gonna show you real quick how to test the starter. So let's see. I've got my dirty freezer here. It's in the garage, and I always sweep all the dirt off of this, and so it's really dusty. Don't mind the mess. But anyways, so here's how you're gonna check the starter, right? You're gonna basically hook this bad boy up to that. You're gonna hook your positive up to there, and then you're gonna take a little jumper wire here, and you're gonna touch it to that. Now you see that's engaging, but it's not spinning. That means the starter is toast. Now I'm trying to do this all with one hand, so please forgive me. But you see that? It's engaging, but it's not spinning. So starter's toast. So we're gonna take this and we're going to take it over to get another one and get it replaced on warranty, hopefully. Got my receipt. We're gonna head out. But check this out. It's April 3rd here in Utah. Look at this crap, dude. Oh man, can you believe it? I can. It snows in April. It does. It does. I'm sorry. Everyone who is surprised, don't be. This is what happens in April. So enjoy it. I'll be melted here soon. All right, folks. So we just went and got a new battery. Or not the new battery, the new starter. So we're going to show you. We're going to hook this bad boy up. We're going to just show you what. Oh man, got some snow on my pants. It's making it all wet. It's all slushy. Jumped out. Anyways, so all right. Like I said, this is my little. We're gonna try to do this one-handed here again. So hopefully this works, but let's see. Come on. Kind of hard. Kind of hard one-handed here. Let me get a better. See if I can get a little better connection here. All right, folks. So check it out. So I got busy, went to, well, as you can see in the clip before, I went to test that starter and it didn't work. I was thinking I was doing something wrong. I was like, I installed it anyways. Nope, nothing. So I took it back to the store, and sure enough, I was like, dude, you guys need to test this. It didn't even work. So I took the old starter for this to go get tested, and they couldn't get it to work either. So it was a bad starter. Went to go take my old one in that literally I've had for like a month, if that. We changed it when we got the supercharger. And then frustrating. But the lady tested it. They ordered a new one in. The lady tested it. It worked. I put it on. It's fixed. Oh yeah, we got a train coming down over here. It's really loud. It's actually still way down there. Anyways, we're out. But so that's how you test a starter on your Jeep. I'm sure other starters are the same, but that's on a Jeep Wrangler. So that's how you test a starter. You can't really test it while it's on the vehicle, so you have to pull it off. It's real simple, really simple. I think I'll try to do another video on the installation and removal. I've already removed it, but I'll show you the process in another video. Sometimes those videos do good because they're a how-to video, and the how-tos do okay. I don't know if you can see this, it's really far away. There's the train. Yippee-ki-yay, adios, smile every morning.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays,